Hello, I'm David Kennedy. I know you're anxiously awaiting information on President Biden's Parole In Place program announced in June. The government announced in July that they would begin accepting applications on August 19th. However, they have still not released the application that we must use, the method for filing it, or how much the application will cost to file. I'm reaching out to you now because I want to be ready to submit your application as soon as they become available and we know exactly who will qualify. My office will be emailing you if you have previously expressed interest in the new program. If you've not yet contacted us, please do so and we will send you the 3 questions that we need to get started in evaluating your situation. We will place our contact information in the comments section of this video. I understand that if you're a current client, we may have these answers in your file, but to save time from reviewing hundreds of files individually, your prompt reply to our email means we can start evaluating your case more quickly. We don't have all the answers yet, but we do know the following. We will have to submit documentation to accompany your application. At the very least, this means you have to provide identity documents, proof of marriage to your United States citizen spouse on or before June 17, 2024, 10 years of continuous physical presence as of June 17, 2014, and official dispositions of any arrests or convictions. We understand that certain criminal charges may exclude some people from eligibility, and we're waiting for the government to announce which types. We will make use of all information and documentation you may have already submitted to us for your prior applications. We want to emphasize that there is some risk in applying for this new process. In some places here in the U.S., this program is unpopular, and certain politicians or other adversaries may have already been working to block this in the courts like they did when DACA was first implemented. While DACA was ultimately restored in the courts, we do not know if this will happen or not with this new process. It may be blocked before you're able to submit your application, or it may be blocked after you submit your application, or it may not be blocked at all. We want you to understand that there is a risk that the government might keep your application fee while this process is fought through the court system, and they may never return your application fee because with the government anything is possible. We do think, however, that if you want to try this new process and you're comfortable with the risk and uncertainty with the government, you should submit your application as soon as possible. Please reply to these emails when you receive them and don't hesitate to contact our office with any questions.